installing Pleper Local SEO Tools for Edge browsers is slightly more complicated than installing them in Chrome. You actually have to go and get it from the Chrome web shop. So just simply open the tab, hop over to the Chrome Web Store, dive in and ask for Pleper, and it's Pleper Local SEO Tools that you want. You click on the grey box and you ask to get it, and just confirm that you want the extension added to your Edge browser. You can have a look if you want. There it is. So it's in our list. So we get rid of those tabs and we go back to our map. So if you want all the details about a particular listing, just refresh the page and boom, out comes the Pleper extension with every bit of info you could probably possibly want for your Google business profile, or indeed for a competitor's. Okay, that's all for now.